Right, so as I said, I'm up at A1 Motorcycles, A1 Motorcycle Training and Sales Limited, where I've bought a helmet and 2 pair of boots and a pair of jeans from Bros up here. So I'm just going to introduce you to Bros, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what he's doing up here and what he's selling off before. So over to you, Bros.
Yeah, good afternoon then. You alright then, Andy? Yeah. Alright then, so yeah, we do the Eco 50s, little 50cc gear bike. Nice bit of kit, these, fairly reliable. At least it's getting kids off autos onto gears. Then we do your Blue Rock Heritage, that's a little 125. And then over here, what's just come in is your Bongo, 125 Bongo, great little machines. Then we do various clothing. We're running down on jackets now, so yeah, we're doing a bit of a spring sale. So we've got some jackets here. So there's a decent discount on them. So there should be $79.99. So we're knocking 40% off these jackets. Like you say, they are sizes what are just left. So we've got small, 5XL. Got another jacket here, 6XL. A 2XL. So they're to clear at 40% off. Couple of 3 motorbike jackets left. So we've got an XL. It's an all-weather jacket, so you can got vents in them. There's an old scooter jacket. So that's a 3XL. And then one motorbike jacket here, a 5XL. Same again with these, there's all 40% off them. Then we're looking at your helmets, we've got a range of helmets. Same again, 40% off them. Then we sell gloves. So we've got various pairs of gloves from extra small up to 3XL. Same again, retail price like that, $39.99, and then there'll be 40% off them.
That's really good.
So very good saving, yeah. Same again with these, a bit more of a summer glove, 40% off them.
I've actually had a pair of those Ravens. I know one of the best gloves I've ever had, to be honest. And really good. The brown ones.
Yeah, the good glove.
Nice pair of gloves.
Yeah. Then we're looking at padlocks and chains. Normally $44.99. Same again, 40% off. Yeah. Like you say, it's been a long hard winter, so we decided to do a sale, get rid of some stuff. We do beanie hats. They used to be £12 a piece. We're doing them at a £5 now. So that's a bargain on them. Waterproof trousers, like $24.99. And same again, 40% off.
Oxford ones.
Oxford rain seal.
Decent quality.
Yeah, decent quality, good ones, yeah. Same with your jackets. So really, like $34.99 less 40, good price. Then we've got a range of Oxford locks. So like that. So $26.99 just for your box standard, 40% off. We've got the Screamer, what's got an alarm on, $44.99. Less 40. Quartz XD6, $39.99, 40% off. So yeah, we decided to do 40% off. It's daft them sat on my shelves. Someone might well make use of them. We've still got a few batteries left. Same again there, like you say, anything on here, retail price, less 40%.
So oils, locks,
yeah,
lubes,
stuff,
cleaners.
drain cleaners. Same again here, these are a top bargain. These were already put on at a good price at $12.99. So just a bog standard lock, little bit of security, everything in, little bag, lock and a cable reminder. Like you say, them, £6. That's even
I think I'll have one of them. Just
a good bargain.
Time the helmet.
Yeah. We've still got a couple of these left. Scorpion Data Tool should be $389. Like you say, them there, we take £100. fitted yourself. Basic alarm to fit, all registered. Really good alarm.
£100 for an alarm, or £100 off?
No, £100 for the alarm.
Wow.
So it's a good bargain.
That is brilliant.
Yeah,
From 389
from 389 to £100.
for a data tool Scorpion alarm. Yeah. Really good.
That's it, very good. We've got a couple of basic then. Bike tech alarms, very basic. All it does is it just makes a noise if someone tries to pinch your bike. Same again with that, 19.99, 40% off that. We've got a few balaclavas left, normally £6 a piece. What we're doing for about £4 then. So they'll be popular. Yeah, and that's it really in here. So in other end we've got 4 or 5 scooters left. Same again, they'll be good deals, but I haven't made my mind up what discount on them yet.
Yeah, but if anybody wants one, they can, the number will flash up right now, and website on your screen, and you can get in touch with Paul at A1 and it'll give you a price on a scooter. And you've got a few. You've got one Highway Star AJ.
There's an AJS 250 Highway Star. That one's going to have some discount on it. There's a Nico Dino 125. That'll be retail plus on the road. There's an AJS Firefox 50cc, great little 4-stroke scooter. And there's a AJS Digita scooter.
So what about servicing and repairs? Are you still offering servicing and repairs?
Yeah, we're still offering service and repairs. Mostly on lightweight stuff now these days because there's only me left in here doing workshop, so lightweight.
And what about training? Are you still offering some training?
Yeah, we're still offering training, CBTs, DAS training, A2 training.
So if you need A2 training, DAS training or CBT renewal, look sharp and give Ross a call, but they are running out, aren't they?
They are running out. We're nearly full for this year.
Yeah. So it's hard to get all the tickets, but there's still some available, so give him a call. And like I say, if you want an helmet, if you want some gloves, a jacket, give Ross a call.
That's it.
All right.
Yeah, that's all right, that, yeah, no problem. Thank you very much.